But I think it's a little sad that we, who in our work, in our papers, write very elaborate theories, very complex models, that we say kind of simplify the world so much as if, let's say, they are not mixing different elements. Like, for example, the moment that you analyze household scanner data with quantitative models, you are, for example, studying real behavior. But acknowledging your point, it is indeed true. AMA is primarily managerial, ACR is primarily behavioral, and marketing science conference is primarily quant. What I see is that probably in the future we will get a closer convergence between quant and managerial, because a lot of the quantitative researchers, they want to address managerially relevant questions, or they have to do it because they need data that are often provided by a company, and you won't get it if you don't answer any question that these companies are interested in. Whereas the behavioral area, which is less dependent on data from, say, commercial providers or companies, I don't see the convergence as yet very strong between the behavioral on the one hand and the managerial and quant on the other hand, which is sad. Well, apart from the fact that, of course, for teaching purposes you need all these things, I think only when a country has essentially a great historical competence in one of the particular areas, for example, as top-notch psychology, but in terms of econometrics is very weak, and that therefore you would have to focus on the behavioral aspect. I don't know actually many of these examples. If that doesn't apply, I don't think a country should specialize. I mean, ultimately, marketing science progresses by insights on all these different elements. So focus, perhaps for smaller academic groups, it makes sense to focus on one area versus another, but as a country, I don't think that would be fruitful.